Whether you're traveling to breathtaking landscapes or capturing memories on your next adventure, a travel drone can help you get the perfect shot from the sky. But with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the best one. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 best travel drones for this year, comparing their features, benefits, and durability to help you make the right choice for your next trip. Let's dive into the details. Kicking off our list at number 1, Skydio 2. The Skydio 2 is a high-performance autonomous drone designed for travelers who want stunning, obstacle-avoiding aerial footage without having to worry about manual piloting. Known for its impressive autonomous flying capabilities, the Skydio 2 is perfect for those looking for a seamless, worry-free flying experience. Whether you're hiking in the mountains, exploring a new city, or capturing wide-open landscapes, this drone has the intelligence to follow and create cinematic shots. Key features: the Skydio 2 is equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance sensors on all sides, allowing it to fly autonomously through complex environments. It features a 4K camera with HDR capabilities, delivering high-quality imagery. The drone offers up to 23 minutes of flight time on a single charge and includes the Skydio beacon for improved tracking. Its intelligent flight modes include Skydio 2's unique, autonomous flight that can follow you even through challenging terrain or tight spaces. Benefits and usage. The biggest benefit of the Skydio 2 is its fully autonomous flying mode. This makes it ideal for travelers who want incredible shots without having to focus on piloting. Whether you're skiing down a slope, cycling through a forest, or walking through a bustling city, the Skydio 2 can follow you smoothly, capturing stunning footage with minimal input required. It's a great tool for those who want cinematic shots without needing drone piloting skills. Usability. The Skydio 2's user-friendly interface makes it simple for both beginners and advanced users to capture incredible shots. With the Skydio app, users can plan flight paths, set waypoints, and activate its smart features like dynamic obstacle avoidance and tracking. The drone automatically adjusts its course based on real-time data, ensuring it stays on track. With intelligent flight modes and intuitive controls, it's easy to get the footage you want without being an expert. Durability. The Skydio 2 is built for rugged environments, with a sturdy frame and highly responsive navigation. Its advanced sensors ensure it doesn't crash into obstacles, but it's still important to handle it with care. The drone is weather-resistant, though it's best to avoid extreme weather conditions. It's designed to be reliable in a variety of environments, from dense forests to urban landscapes. The battery life of around 23 minutes may require frequent recharging on long trips. In the second spot, we have DJI Mavic Air 2. The DJI Mavic Air 2 is one of the best all-around travel drones for those who want great performance, portability, and camera quality. As part of DJI's Mavic series, it combines impressive flight capabilities with advanced features at a relatively affordable price. This drone is perfect for travelers who want a compact drone with excellent image quality and intelligent flight modes to help capture their adventures with ease. Key features. The Mavic Air 2 features a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, capable of shooting 48MP photos and 4K video at 60 frames per second. It offers up to 34 minutes of flight time and includes intelligent flight modes such as Active Track, Smart Photo, and Focus Track, which make capturing smooth cinematic shots easy. With a maximum range of 10 kilometers, this drone is perfect for capturing breathtaking scenery from a distance. The Mavic Air 2 also includes obstacle sensors in all directions for safer flights. Benefits and usage. One of the main advantages of the Mavic Air 2 is its versatility. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned drone pilot, its intelligent flight modes make it easy to capture complex shots. Active Track, for example, allows the drone to follow you while keeping the camera focused on you, perfect for adventure sports or scenic walks. It's a compact and lightweight drone, making it ideal for travel and easy to carry on trips. It's also highly portable, folding down to fit in a backpack. Usability. The Mavic Air 2 is incredibly easy to use, thanks to its intuitive DJI Fly app. The app allows you to control the drone, set up smart flight paths, and access pre-programmed modes to get cinematic shots with minimal effort. The drone also features a return-to-home function and emergency stop capabilities for added safety. It's designed for both beginners and experienced drone pilots, making it an excellent choice for a wide range of travelers. Durability. With its robust design, the Mavic Air 2 is capable of handling outdoor conditions, including wind and light rain. However, like all drones, it's important to avoid extreme weather conditions. The drone's battery life of up to 34 minutes is one of the best in its class, allowing you to get longer flight times. However, frequent use might require carrying extra batteries for extended trips. The Mavic Air 2 is known for being sturdy and resilient, which makes it an excellent travel companion. Coming in at number 3 is the FIMI X8 Mini. The FIMI X8 Mini is a compact and lightweight drone that offers impressive performance at an affordable price. Designed for travelers who want a portable option without sacrificing camera quality or flight features, the FIMI X8 Mini is a great option for capturing stunning aerial footage. It's ideal for those who want to travel light but still get professional quality shots on their journeys. Key features. The FIMI X8 Mini is equipped with a 12MP camera capable of shooting 4K video at 30 frames per second. It has a flight time of up to 30 minutes and a range of 8 kilometers, making it perfect for capturing scenic views. The drone features intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me, Waypoints, and Orbit mode, providing various options for creating dynamic shots. Additionally, the compact design makes it highly portable, weighing just 249 grams. Benefits and usage. The FIMI X8 Mini provides a great balance between price and performance. Its small size makes it easy to carry, and the range and battery life are sufficient for most travel needs. The camera quality is solid for its price point, making it a great option for travelers who want to shoot 4K video without breaking the bank. With intelligent flight modes, the drone makes it easy to capture smooth footage without needing advanced piloting skills. Usability. The FIMI X8 Mini is straightforward to operate, with an intuitive app and remote control that makes controlling the drone a breeze. The app includes features like flight planning, live streaming, and access to smart flight modes. The drone automatically adjusts for better shots, ensuring users get high-quality footage without much effort. The compact and foldable design also ensures that it can easily be packed away for travel. Durability. Despite its lightweight design, the FIMI X8 Mini is durable enough to withstand regular outdoor use. It's built for light to moderate wind conditions and performs well in various environments. However, like any drone, it's essential to use caution in harsh weather conditions. With a 30-minute flight time and foldable design, the FIMI X8 Mini offers convenience and reliability, making it a great travel companion. Taking our 4th spot is DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 is the flagship model of the Mavic series, designed for travelers who prioritize top-tier camera quality, flight performance, and advanced features. This drone offers a high-end experience for those who need professional-level footage on their travels. Whether you're shooting cinematic videos or capturing breathtaking aerial shots, the Mavic 3 is one of the best travel drones available today. Key features. The Mavic 3 features a dual-camera system, including a 20MP Hasselblad camera with a large 4/3 CMOS sensor, capable of shooting 5.1K video at 50 frames per second. It has an impressive 46-minute flight time, one of the longest in its class, and offers up to 15 kilometers of transmission range. The drone includes advanced safety features such as omnidirectional obstacle sensors and intelligent flight modes like Focus Track and Active Track. Benefits and usage. The Mavic 3 is perfect for professional travelers and content creators who demand the best quality footage. The dual-camera system allows for incredible detail and depth in your shots, while the extended flight time lets you capture more during each flight. With intelligent flight modes and a smooth, quiet flying experience, the Mavic 3 is ideal for everything from cinematic video shoots to exploring remote locations. Usability. The Mavic 3 is equipped with the DJI Fly app, which makes it easy to control and plan flights. The app allows users to access intelligent features, adjust settings, and monitor flight data in real time. Whether you're an experienced drone pilot or a beginner, the app simplifies the flying experience, ensuring you can focus on capturing your journey without any hassle. Durability. The Mavic 3 is designed for serious outdoor use, with a rugged frame and high-quality build. It's resistant to light rain and performs well in moderate winds, Its extended battery life and long range make it ideal for long-duration flights, and its advanced sensors ensure safety in challenging environments. However, like all drones, it's best to avoid flying in extreme weather conditions for optimal performance. And finally, at number 5, we have Autel EVO Lite Plus. The Autel EVO Lite Plus is a powerful travel drone that provides excellent image quality, long flight times, and robust performance. Ideal for travelers who want a high-performance drone at a more accessible price point, the EVO Lite Plus offers many of the features found in higher-end models, including a 50MP camera and impressive flight stability. Key features: the EVO Lite Plus is equipped with a 50MP camera and can shoot 6K video at 30 frames per second, offering excellent image quality for all types of travel content. It features a flight time of up to 40 minutes and a range of 12 kilometers. The drone includes intelligent flight modes like dynamic track, orbit, and waypoints, as well as an advanced obstacle avoidance system to ensure a smooth and safe flight experience. Benefits and usage: the Autel EVO Lite Plus offers great value for its price, making it perfect for travelers who want high-quality aerial footage without breaking the bank. Its 6K video capabilities and long battery life ensure that you can capture stunning shots on the go. The intelligent flight modes make it easy to capture dynamic shots, while the drone's robust design makes it a reliable travel companion. Usability: the EVO Lite Plus is user-friendly, with an intuitive app and a simple remote control that makes flying easy. The app includes various intelligent flight modes and gives you full control over the camera settings for optimal shots. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, the drone is designed to be easy to use, making it a great choice for travelers of all skill levels. Durability: the EVO Lite Plus is built for durability, with a solid frame that can withstand outdoor conditions. The drone performs well in light to moderate winds and is designed for regular outdoor use. With its long battery life and rugged build, the EVO Lite Plus is a reliable option for travelers who want a dependable drone to accompany them on their journeys. When it comes to choosing the best travel drone, it really depends on your needs. If you're looking for advanced autonomous flight, the Skydio 2 might be your best bet. For those wanting versatility and portability, the DJI Mavic Air 2 and FIMI X8 Mini offer excellent options. If you need professional quality footage, the DJI Mavic 3 and Autel EVO Lite Plus will take your travel videos to the next level. Whichever drone you choose, you're sure to capture stunning moments on your travels.